feel it, baby? Just let it be Keisha. Cause I can feel it,
Hi
baby.
guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I decided to come on here because yesterday I picked up the keys to my apartment. So now I'm just gonna, I'm just cleaning and stuff today. Today is March 2nd. So yeah, I just want to come and show you guys my house before, you know, all the furniture stuff gets in. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys around. Right now, like I said, I'm here to clean, so you go see like rooms. Like I got clean stuff right there. I got a mop bucket right there, stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a tour of my new apartment. And unfortunately, none of my stuff from Georgia will be here until, at least it won't get into Chicago until the 9th. And I don't understand what happened, but it's really irritating. But it's been enough going on, so I'm just trying not to stress over that. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a tour of my apartment and show you guys around. And I'm sure y'all will be clean it up, and that'll be it. So this is the front door. Then it has this nice brick wall. I like it. I don't know if I'm gonna put something right here because the door is so close right there. I did want to do an entry table, but I probably won't. I do like the brick effect. I don't know, I just like how it is aesthetically. But when you turn around from the door, when you look in the entrance, this is what you get. That hallway goes to two rooms. This hallway goes to the kitchen and another room. This goes to the living room. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys. I think we're gonna go this way first. So this door right here is to a half bath. So that when I have guests, they can use the bathroom without having to go all the way to my, so where the rooms and stuff are. This is one of the bedrooms. I think I'm gonna make this a guest room. It's kind of small, so I'm gonna just put like a little, I don't know if I'm gonna have an air mattress or what. And y'all, this is the only thing I don't like. It has the washer and dryer inside the closet area, but it is what it is. I'm gonna get something to cover that up so that way you can't see it. My mom was like, you know, I make this my beauty room, but I have another area for my beauty room. But yeah, this would be like if I have guests. I put like a little bed or whatever in here for them to sleep. We're gonna go to the kitchen. For me, the kitchen is kind of small, but I'm gonna show y'all why I don't mind it. So this is a dishwasher, sink, stove, microwave, refrigerator. It has all of this. Then that's the back door to the patio area. This is where the furnace and stuff is. So it has this nice little area. Then you go here. This is where this is like the dining room, and you step down, so you gotta be careful. But you step down into the dining area. So I'm gonna do a nice table right here, and then I'll put some stuff on the wall. Just make it real cute in here, so that when we have dinner, or when I have guests over and we do like dinner parties or whatever, I don't know, holiday stuff, it'll be cool. So then you're going to go to the rooms. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. And then this is gonna be my daughter's room. So I have a lot of visions for her room. I feel like her bed should go right here. Her TV should go on that side on the wall. Anything over there, I don't know, probably her kitchen and stuff. And then on this wall, I want it to be chalk. So I'm gonna go ahead and order the chalk pillow stick, so that way she can draw on her walls. This is her closet. And I think I'm probably gonna add some shelving in there. This is like the laundry closet. I'm gonna take this out and add shelving in there because I don't like that. I want shelving so that way I can put like the laundry stuff in there. And then this is my room. So I'm gonna put my bed right here facing this way, put my TV right there, probably put my my dresser and mirror over there, possibly, or it can go right here. If it's not too big to go right here, then I put it right there. I have some plans for my closet. So my closet, it goes down a little ways. So I want to take all of this out and add shelving to kind of give it that like more shelf space. So yeah, that's the plans for this one. I'm trying to think. I kind of want to do a wall, or like a black wall on this side behind my bed, but I don't know. I'm going to see. Then now we're going to go ahead. Okay, wait, let me slow down. So y'all, this is the living room. This is the living room. I love it. I love this. I love the wall. They're coming to paint the fireplace area. I'm trying to figure out how to make this a fireplace, like install a fake fireplace on top of a fireplace. I've been seeing some stuff, but I gotta like really just get more details about that because that'd be nice. I want to get a big comfy couch right here. I don't know. I wanted to just get a love seat and a regular, sofa. But I think I'm gonna just go ahead and get a sectional. I want it to be real comfy in here, real comfortable. Yeah, I got a whole bunch of plans for this. So y'all, this is not gonna look nothing like what it's looking now. Just watch this. This interior design really crazy. Now this, y'all, this is my beauty room, and I'm pretty sure y'all can tell why I made this my beauty room. I know y'all can tell why I made this beauty room. But yeah, okay, so y'all, that's my apartment. I'm gonna just go ahead and clean up a little bit. I will be showing y'all I'm gonna try to show y'all the process of me decorating little by little. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and clean up and start cleaning. I already swept that room, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and mop in there. And then just go from there. Right now I'm just really sweeping and mopping everything. Probably gonna wipe down doors and handles and things like that. I'm probably gonna go and buy some candles just to have in here, some incense. I'm probably gonna get that so that way at least, it has my smell. Cause right now it has like, the apartment smell, which isn't bad. They put a little incense thing there, but I don't like it. So yeah, I got a lot to do in a little time. Literally tomorrow we leave for my daughter's my daughter's birthday trip. She doesn't know where she's going. So it's just been stressful, y'all. It's been stressful. I've been having I'm gonna give y'all a whole life update on just everything that's been going on. Things to know when you're getting out the military, like just it's wild. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started cleaning. I'll see you guys later.
Can you feel it, baby? Just let it be queso.